Hi, this is Jason Robinson from Illustration by Design, and this is another unboxing video where, if you can look here in the corner, I finally received Nasser Rabadi's book, Trixie Cain, Blood Reaper. So I'm going to open this up and see exactly what Nasser has sent. As you can tell, probably, whoops, I'm knocking over my camera. I got this in a Gemini mailer, as usual for Nasser, which is very good, because that means that the comic and its contents are probably in very good condition. So I'm very looking forward to seeing what he sent. Let's slice it up. Let's see here. There we go. One more. There we go. Alright, let's see what Nasser has sent. Gemini! Put that aside. Let's see. Oh, cool. What's this? Got a bunch of stuff in here. Can't remember what I really bought, so. Got some stickers, secret comics, or are these cards? I can't tell. Oh, cool. There we go. His original first edition of Stardust. I got another copy of it, so that's cool. What is this stuff inside? And Nasser again has made the right choice by getting resealable comic book bags, which is very good. Oh, hold on, let me see. Egg nabbit. What is this? What are these? These are cards. Okay. Sorry about that. These little secret comics things are cards that Nasser has put inside, for some reason, his Stardust book, which makes very little sense. Should have been in the Trixie Cain book, but that's alright. I'm happy I got them regardless. So, got Stardust here, and I got these cards here. Let's see what they look like. We got Trixie Cain. Now, who's the artist for this? Hold on. Does it say here? Nasser. It doesn't have the person's name who drew this on here. That's not good. But anyway, very nice art. Hopefully they signed it somewhere on here so you can see. Got another card here. Again, I don't know who the artist is. I'm gonna guess maybe it's Sean Langley, the artist for Trixie Cain. I'm not sure. Okay, we got a drawing here of, I guess, Brutus the Badass and Trixie Cain. So I'm guessing that Donald DeLay drew this. I'm guessing, but I'm not sure. Maybe not. I can't tell. The artwork's it's not clear. This might not be Donald's artwork. And this one was done by, well, he signed it, Ethan Van Sciver, right there. Blink. So, at least we know who drew this. But, yeah, these cards look really nice. Good quality. But I do wish that somewhere on here, preferably on the back, he had placed who the artist was. That would have been good. But next time, Nasser. But very nice looking cards, very cool. So put those aside, and let's see what else I got. Next book. Cool. This is Trixie Cain Blood Reaper, the book itself. It's pretty thick, actually. It's a square bound book, so it looks very nice. Very cool. I'll read that later. And another copy of Trixie Cain, but this one's with the Dina Israel cover, which was apparently very rare. I think he sold less than 100 of these. Oh, we got some more cards in here, so that's cool. Very nice. Great, awesome. Yeah, very cool. Very nice art by Dina Israel. Very cool. So, actually, this was the one I was really looking forward to getting. But this one's very cool too. So this is a cover by the artist for the book, Sean Langley. So very cool stuff. Yeah, they look good together. So thank you very much, Nasser. I got these two books. I got another copy of his Stardust, which is signed. Did he sign these Trixie Cains? I'm guessing he did, because I remember that he did a bunch of. I think he did on the inside though, probably because people complain about him signing on the cover. But yeah, I remember seeing him posting live streams of him signing the books. So yeah, so very cool, and congratulations to Dina Israel for getting this cover for Trixie Cain. So hopefully one day I'll be able to get her to sign it too. That'd be awesome. So yeah, so this has been the unboxing of Nasser Rabadi's Trixie Cain Blood Reaper. And yeah, hopefully you got your copies or are getting them soon if you haven't already. And yeah, look forward to reading it. And then I'll probably post a review once I have and let all you guys know how it is. But Nasser has been very consistent about putting out, even if it's not perfect writing. I mean, he's very consistent about putting out books in a timely manner, and providing quality when he does deliver. So that's very cool, and I look forward to more cool stuff from Nasser in the future. If you haven't already, you should probably check out his Amazon books. I know he's done a bunch of horror novels that are available on Amazon. So check them out. Go look at them. Can't remember the names right now. Duality, I think, is one, and the Eclipse Theater is another, and then there's one more. But check out Nasser Rabadi's YouTube channel. You will find all the links you need right there. So anyway, guys, thanks for watching, and I will talk to you guys later. All right, bye.